Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a remote opportunity for people who have their grads in computer science or software engineering. This job is for people located in India and the salary range is 2 million to 3 million, that is 20 lakh to 30 lakh per annum. The job profile is software engineer web and the company's name is Gamers. So Gamers is basically a network of gaming and entertainment publications and the company works with brands like Dot Sports, Capest, Prima Games, etc. So here the company is basically into providing gaming solutions to people around the world. And here, as a software engineer, you will be joining the product team, and here you will be working with the you will be working with your product team to basically improve user experiences for those games. As a software engineer, you will be working with gamers team to the constant improvement of user experience across their network of sites. And here the company has not mentioned about any particular experience. However, you should be having clear understanding of fundamentals of computer science and software engineering. So if you are a grad in computer sciences or you are a software engineer, you could be a good fit for this position. And here you should have confidence in working with PHP, HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And additionally, you should have strong communication skills and you should be able to work independently because this is a remote opportunity and you will be working remotely from your home or anywhere, and you need to collaborate with the team. Are the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a software engineer. So you will be contributing directly to the product team by writing high level code, ensuring quality through pull request reviews, and sharing knowledge by creating supporting documentation. And you need to collaborate with team members and other teams in order to deliver new product features and provide support by investigating and addressing technical support issues. You will be contributing to the team in internal planning, ensuring high performance and responsiveness of their websites. So here basically you will be helping gamers or people who are interested in gaming sites, and you will be improving their user experiences. You will be improving the sites, gaming sites. So this will be the work. Here are the preferred qualifications that the company has mentioned. So the company has mentioned that you should have knowledge of technical SEO. You should be familiar with Cloudflare and its products. And additionally, you should have experience with modern JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue.js. And you should have recent experience in working with WordPress and its ecosystem. Also, if you have experience working with high traffic, high scale websites, you will be a good fit for this position. Here is the process. If you believe that you could be a good fit for the position of software engineering, here you can provide your resume, a brief cover letter, explain why you are the right fit for the position, and any link of your portfolio or GitHub, etc. You can provide here. Here is the application form that you can fill up, and you can provide your desired salary. This basically this position is for India. The company also has software engineering position for people around the world. So if you are from any other country and not from India, you can also check out the website for to get the worldwide opening. So here you can provide your cover letter and then submit the application form. So go ahead and check out all the details. And if you believe, if you are a software engineer and you are interested in, so go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.